course, that wire you have to be very careful with. And then one of the sockets is for loosening the belt. So yeah, 13mm to get the alternator off, and then 10mm to get the wire off the backside of the alternator, and then I think a 10mm to get the serpentine belt loose, so we get it off the alternator. And we're going to just go charge it while we're gone, getting the new one from the store. At least it's only a 1/2 inch. Not bad to get it put back on. And then that back wire is a 10. And then the bolts for the alternator are 13. Quick, easy job, that's for sure. Especially when you've done it plenty of times. And of course, bing bada bing.
That's it.
Oh yeah. No problem at all now. Let's go. Let's get good on battery voltage now. We'll just have to see. That's good. 14.1 on battery voltage. Indeed, it's staying at 14.1. For a split second it was at 14.2, but it's at 14.1 staying steady. Let's freaking go. This is good for us now. Now it's bouncing between 14.1, 14.0. Which isn't terrible. Which is pretty daggum good, honestly. Well, never mind, it's bouncing between 13.8, 13.9, and 14.0 after all now. I'll see what our dad says. But yeah, it's bouncing between 13.9 and 14.0. Could be just sitting for a week. Could have done something to the batteries or 13.8. We'll just have to see. I'll talk to our dad about it. Yeah, I won't have to start it for a whole nother week.